Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure 9.4 Enterprise Edition on Ubuntu 22.04. Now open any web browser, then go to Splunk official website, that is splunk.com. Then see here, Splunk is now a Cisco company. Okay, so here we are unable to find anything. Scroll down, at the bottom we have the products. See here, free trials and downloads. Click on it. Then see here we have the Splunk Cloud Platform, Splunk Enterprise and Universal Forward. So we are going to install Splunk Enterprise Edition. So click on Get My Free Trial. And see here Splunk Enterprise free for 60 days. No credit card required. Okay. So fill all these details. Then you will receive email for verification. Okay. I have already registered. So click on Login. In your case, you have to register. See, you will receive mail like this. So you have to click on Verify your email. Okay. See here we have the Splunk 9.40. Okay. Then select Linux. Then see here we have the .debian package. For Ubuntu or Debian type operating systems, we have to download the .debian package and its size is 877 megabytes. Click on download. Wait a moment. See, download has been started. Now open terminal, go to downloads, ls-90. See here we have successfully downloaded the Splunk 9.4. So we have to install it by running the command sudo dpkg -i, then give the Splunk, give the tab to autofill and hit enter. See, it is installing Splunk 9.4. It is success. Control A. Now go to a browser. Now go to documentation solutions. Now go to resources, then click on documentation, then select this Splunk Enterprise, then click on installation manual, then click on Splunk Enterprise, then click on install Splunk Enterprise on Linux, then select install on Linux. See, we have performed all these steps. Okay, then see, we have installed. After that, we have to check the status by copying this one. Copy it, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter. See, Splunk is installed. Okay, so next, start Splunk for the first time. Click on this one. I will keep this link in the video description. Then go to Splunk installation directory. Okay, so this is for Windows. For Linux, go to Splunk installation directory, then bin cd/opt ls. See here we have the Splunk directory. cd Splunk ls. Now go to bin ls-ltrs. See here we have this Splunk application. So sudo dot splunk / splunk start. Splunk start. Hit enter. This is license agreement. This is general terms. So R tab. Okay. Now agree the license terms by typing Y and hit enter. Now we have to create the administrator username. So I am giving admin. It is up to you. Then we have to set the password for this account. Confirm the same. See, this is the web server URI or URL to connect to Splunk. Okay, and 8000 is the default port. See, we have successfully installed, and see here the Splunk web interface is this is. See, the first one is the host name. See here, this is the host name. Okay, then followed by port number 8000. Copy it. Copy this one. Go to NetApp, paste it, hit enter. You can give IP also. So provide the user that we have given. Then provide the password. Then click on sign in. Here, not now. Here I have given the host name. We can give localhost or IP of the machine. See, we have successfully connected to Splunk dashboard. See here, we have the different options like dashboard, search history, etc. If you want to change the password, click on account settings. Then here we have to give the user full name and set the password by providing new password. Okay, so I'm not going to do. If you want to create users, see here we have the different options. Then click on users, then click on new user. Okay, the same way if you want to change password, click on here and change the password. Okay, here. Then you have to click on save. Okay, so we have successfully. Now go to downloads directory. CD downloads ls. This file is not required anymore, so I am removing it because we have successfully installed Splunk. The same way if you want to stop Splunk, we have to go to same bin directory and we have to check the status. Now we will see the status of the Splunk by connecting to here or cd opt splunk ls cd bin sudo dot / splunk, then status. See, Splunk is running. Okay, if you want to stop, just give same command, just give stop, hit enter. See, Splunk is shut down. If you reload this page, it won't work. Okay, again if you want to start, same you have to give. Now verify the status here also. See, Splunk is not running. So start it again. Now reload the page. Still not started. Try to reload. We have to wait until this will be started. Now Splunk is started. Reload the page. See, we are able to connect. Before we were getting unable to connect. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Splunk 9.4 Enterprise Edition on Ubuntu 22.04. For more Splunk tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.